Hello, Apra peeps. It's Lindsey Nadeau, your 2020 Conference Planning Committee Chair, here with some updates about what you can expect from a prospect development virtual experience. We are working with our speakers to figure out whose sessions can adapt to a virtual format, and we hope to bring you about 50 to 70% of the original breakout sessions that you would have seen here in person in DC. Virtual registration has opened, and besides lowering our registration fee to be as inclusive as we can with anyone facing a budget challenge, you'll also notice that we have shorter conference days, shorter conference sessions, and we'll have frequent breaks throughout the day to minimize virtual burnout. And you can stretch, hydrate, and for those of you who can't really fully unplug, you can check your inbox. And then each day, for the format, we are thinking about bringing everyone together for a large plenary session, whether it's our keynote or our Apra talks or an association panel of fundraising leaders around the philanthropic industry. And after that, we're going to then pivot to deeper dives with breakout sessions. So a huge advantage of our virtual format is that we'll actually be able to record more content. And so if you haven't yet figured out how to clone yourself to be at 2 sessions at once, you can now double back and see recordings for sessions you weren't able to attend to. And then as you heard at the Apra annual business meeting, we are uncoupling the Apra fundamentals and the data science now components of PD. Those will be offered later in the year. We have also made the strategic choice to pause the executive leadership cohort because it depends so much on in-person connections to be successful. So that will be postponed until it's safe to gather in person. And then lastly, we will have a virtual exhibit hall with dedicated time to interact with our partners. And then from the opening reception to interactive components of Apra Talks, the planning committee is really committed to providing a sense of connection and community for our attendees, and we're working on what those logistics look like. And I have to take a quick moment here to thank the Conference Planning Committee and all of our speakers and the Apra team who have doubled down on their commitment to make this conference a success. We were literally nearly at the end of our finish line when we had to begin planning an entirely different conference. So I have a tremendous amount of appreciation for everyone's agility and dedication. Well, that's all the updates that I have for you at this moment. I hope you'll be able to join us August 24th through August 27th for what promises to be a virtual event unlike any other Apra event you've seen before. Be safe and be well.